All right, good news, I'm going to show you how to fold your cube. Bad news, I put it in my backpack and it got wrinkly. I still need color. Make sure yours is not as bland as mine. Mine is boring and not a good grade. But the cube is pretty easy. You just have to be careful because the paper's a little flimsy. So you're going to fold on all of the solid black lines. So I'm going to fold up, fold up. So the first thing I did was fold all my square shapes, and it's already starting to go into the cube. Now I'm going to fold the tabs down. So there's a couple tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, six, and 7. Oh, I'm going to put you lower. Okay, so I've folded all the tabs and all the solid lines. Now you are going to glue on the tabs. You can use glue or tape. I just don't have tape to pass out in class, so we're using glue. If you use glue, you have to hold where you glue. So like I'm going to glue on this tab. I'm going to pull this wall up, and I'm going to hold it to the back of the other side. So I'm pinching so I can make a corner. And again, you want to hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. All right. Now I'm going to take the other side and do the same thing. I glued, I'm forming a corner, and I'm going to hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. It's all a waiting game for the glue. If you move too quickly, it won't hold and it will fall apart. Okay, so now I'm going to glue on the other tabs, and I'm going to do the same thing. Hold it to the side wall so it forms a corner. Struggling getting some glue out. Sounds like he's empty, but he's not. I know he's not. I can see the liquid. Come on, glue bottle. Okay, there we go. All right, I got some on the sides. I'm going to hold it to the side wall for about 15 seconds, like I said. You can come in and hold this one as well. Trying to hold them both at the same time. And then the last part is just folding your flap in. Boop. And you can glue this guy as well. It's just a little challenging because you kind of have to hold this part. So if you want to, I would take your flap that you fold in, and you're going to put a little bit of glue. Remember, you got to be careful with these guys because they are hollow. So if you crush them, it will happen. You got to control your strength. They're very light as a feather. So I'm going to go in, push this tab down with a little glue. And voila. There is your 3D cube. You should have designs on all the sides and some color, but that is how you create a 3D cube.